Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Imagine a work day that flows seamlessly, whether you are at your home or in the office. It all starts with what it is inside this box. This is Brother MCP-L2800DW, your efficient mono laser printer. It is your partner in efficiency, hosting a range of efficiency boosting features. This all-in-one mono laser printer is engineered to save you time. We are talking about fast, flawless printing at 32 pages per minute, quick scan speeds, and the convenience of automatic two-sided printing. It even includes fast capability, a generous paper tray, and large automatic document feeder to handle multi-page jobs. The main paper tray is 250 sheet inputs. The ADF automatic document feeder is 50 sheets input. Inside, you will find everything you need to get started quickly. But the real magic happens once you connect. Just download Brother Mobile Connect app and unlock the ability to print and scan from virtually anywhere directly from your smartphone or tablet. So from powerful professional grade performance with sharp 1200 dpi resolution and robust connectivity include Wi-Fi connectivity, Ethernet, AirPrint to the ultimate convenience of mobile printing. The foundation for working smart is right here. Also, this printer uses toner TN2510 or TN2510 extra large. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, see what is inside. This is the toner. This is the toner. Power cable. This is the information pack. You can see what it looks like. Very compact. I like the color, black and gray. So this is the ADF automatic document feeder. The scanner flatbed scanner. This is the paper tray. You adjust it to the end. Likewise, this all the way for you to load paper. So to carry this printer, you put your hand on this side for you to lift it up. At the back, you have the USB. The power cable goes at the back. You can see the LCD screen and the buttons. Thank you very much indeed.